Hi, I am Dr. Dhruv Gupta. I am a specialist dermatologist at Ahelia Hospital, Hamdan, Abu Dhabi. Today we are discussing something about regenerate beauty. So what do we understand by regenerate beauty? Beauty encompasses two things, our skin and our hairs. So we have different treatment options to regenerate the changes which happen during aging. That is what we call as rejuvenation. So rejuvenation is turning back the clock towards on the skin. So aging changes like having wrinkles, loss of hairs, blemishes, pigmentation, sagging skin, all these things can be reversed to a certain extent by various different procedures. So today I am going to talk on a very important procedure which we use, which has been recently very famous, called as PRP. PRP stands for platelet rich plasma therapy. Platelet is a kind of a cell in our blood which is rich in the growth factors. So these growth factors helps in improving the hairs as well as the skin. How do we do the procedure is like we take your blood, we process it, we take out the plasma with the platelets in that, and that plasma is injected where we need the changes. Say for example, we have a hair fall. So we will take that plasma with platelets and inject into the scalp to regrow the hairs and strengthen the hairs. The growth factors which are released inside, they will help in regenerating new hairs, they will help in strengthening the prevalent hairs. Same way, when we are talking about the skin, we take the same plasma with the platelets and we inject into the skin on the face, we can inject on the hands, wherever we need to have the rejuvenation. Similarly, when these platelets go inside the skin, they will release the growth factors which will help in improving the aging changes of the skin. Like they will help in the new collagen formation, which will help in reducing the wrinkles on the face, which will help in reducing the scars, mostly the scars which are caused by the acne during the teenage. These growth factors will also helps in improving the pigmentation on the face, and it gives a very youthful glow to the face. These platelets, they have the capacity of regenerating anywhere in the body where we are going to inject it. We can use it for different medical problems as well. But in dermatology, the major role is into the cosmetic dermatology, where we are using it to regenerate the youth. We normally combine these with other procedures to enhance the effect of the PRP, like we can combine this with microneedling, we can combine this with chemical peels. Depending on the problem we are facing, depending on what you are looking at, the change in your skin and hairs, we advise what treatment we need to go for. If you have any concerns, you are very free to come to us. We are open here from 9 to 9 in our department, and we can help to answer any of the queries which you have. And I am happy to say that we are doing most of these procedures in our hospital, and we take the most aseptic precautions while doing these procedures. And the best part is that these procedures are mostly devoid of any side effects, because here we don't use anything which is outside your skin or outside of your body. We are just taking something from your body and giving it back to your body. So any of your concerns, please visit us. We are happy to answer all your queries. We are happy to see and advise you what is the best possible treatment options you have. Thank you so much.